They're waiting for you. Look, they're all waiting for you. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Hi all, this is Petra, and Bernadine and I, we're here in Warrnambool, and the ocean is absolutely gorgeous. It's such a beautiful day with the seagulls, and the ocean is so blue today.